This 2016 Entegra Coach Cornerstone M-45K is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2016 Entegra Coach Cornerstone M-45K is built on a Spartan K3 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.